You have any thoughts about the current state of Jewish music?
Well, Jewish music, well, aside from chazonis, I mean, I like what's happening in the klezmer world. I mean, you know, unless I'm not seeing the whole picture, but it seems to be popping up everywhere, and incredible players, Eastern Europe and Israel. Did Israel always like? Yeah, it's like a new thing in Israel, isn't it? And it's like, you know, when I come to KlezKanada, it's heaven. It's heaven. I mean, early in the morning, I hear violins warming up on a Frege scale, and 20 violins. Oh my God! The only other time in my life I heard that was before a performance of Fiddler on the Roof. I got there 20 minutes early, and the trumpets were playing Frege scales by semitones. Ya na 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 na, ya na 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 na, and this with the violins. It's like, oh my God, I'm in heaven. 2 years ago when I first came here, and these bands and they just it's so close to chazonis that I just feel at home, and I love the reception I get here when I do my work here. I feel like over here amongst these people that what I am doing is important, and that's something. At least it's something.